The number one thing to do on your LinkedIn profile today is to update your skills section. This is whether you are an entrepreneur, a small business owner, a professional, or a job seeker. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So go to your profile and you're going to scroll down to your skills section, which sits down here. Now, if you don't see it there, go to your add profile section here and just go to, it's in part of the core. So click on add skills. And you'll see on mine that I've got endorsements for some of my skills. So what I want you to do is add a skill that you're using. So for example, video production could be one of the skills I want to use, or online lead generation. So let's click on that. And then you say you used it in whatever role you've used it in. Then make sure that you also add it into the other areas. So in licenses and certifications, in any publications, in any courses you've used, and then it says follow this skill to keep up with relevant content. So I'm going to click save on there. So that's how you add the skills to your profile. What are the keys here? If you go to your about section, you'll see top skills in here. And why is this important? Top skills act like keywords for search on LinkedIn. So if someone is looking for LinkedIn training, content strategy, web content writing skills, we want to show at the top of those search results. So in your about section, you click on the edit and you scroll down to the bottom, and it's down here that we want to add your skill. So I'm just going to remove LinkedIn marketing and training. And what I'm going to do in here is say add skill. Now it does suggest ones based off of my profile down here. Add the skill that shows up in the pop-up menu. Okay, and then has not been saved to your about section yet. So let's click on save. Now to save to our about section. So about section has been updated. It says tell us about these top skills and how you use them. Click on the little pencil button. Where am I using video? We're using it in here and YouTube and LinkedIn video marketing. And that is everything. So I'm going to click on show or hide endorsements. Well, of course I want to show my endorsements. Why would I not? Who's endorsed me for this skill? Thank you very much, people. And now that shows up in here on the skills. So let's go back and just check on our top skills showing up on the about section down the bottom here. I'm going to type in speaking, and that would be, click on save. Okay, the about section has been updated. Click on done. Content strategy, web content writing, video, LinkedIn marketing, experience, speaker. Now my skills are showing on my profile, not just in the skills section, but also in the about section. And what I want to do then is go down to the bottom and make sure that your skills are in the order that you want them to be shown to your network. So let's have a look. Reorder. And what we want to be at the top. So I want to have LinkedIn marketing, speaker, and I think video above that. So that's the order I'm going to have mine in. Okay. And click X. And now we have speaker experience here and video LinkedIn marketing. So it now looks the way we want it to look. So remember, this is for helping you to get found in search results on LinkedIn in the search in here. So if I was looking for someone who has skills in Microsoft PowerPoint, so I'm going to click on people. And let's see, skills, PowerPoint, there you are. So Christina Brown, HR manager at Google, has PowerPoint as a skill listed there. Boolean search, which is when you do this. So let's see, skills, Microsoft PowerPoint, skills, Microsoft PowerPoint. So it will help you to get found by people looking for people with those skills when you have those skills on your profile. Any questions about adding skills to your profile, please do put them below, and let's help you to get found by people, whether they're searching for your business or service, or whether you are a job seeker and want to show up at the top results for the role that you want to apply for. Let's get you getting found.